All right, this is the bottom of the second page of section 2.4, page 2. Last problem at the bottom here. It didn't provide a Venn diagram, so I'm just drawing one in. I think I can fit all this in here. I'm going to try. All right, 3 of the most dangerous risk factors. So it's telling you up front it's 3 sets. Is heart attack, 3 of the most dangerous risk factors for heart attacks are high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and smoking. Okay. In a survey of 690 total heart attack survivors, 62 had only high cholesterol among the 3 risk factors. Only high cholesterol. Ooh, I can write that one straight in. 36 only smoking. 93 was only high blood pressure. There were a total of 370 with high cholesterol. So that means this whole B, if you'll have it, the whole thing is 370. High blood pressure, the whole thing is 159. Can I write them out here for a second? High cholesterol was 370. High blood pressure was 159. Wait. 370 was high cholesterol. 159 with high blood pressure and cholesterol that didn't smoke. So I can't write that one in. They're being tricky. 23 that smoked and had high cholesterol but not high blood pressure. And 585 people only had one risk factor. 581. That's a little tricky. 585. So how many had none? I can actually do this one right here. How many had none? If this many had at least one. So they had at least one or more risk factors. And there were 690 people, and this many had at least one. Then 105, we'll check that. 105 didn't have any risk factors. So in region 8, we have 105. So that answered one of them. Then it said what percentage are smokers? Well, I need to finish filling this thing out here. Okay. So I used that number. I used that number. I used that number. All right, 360 total with high cholesterol. 360 total with high cholesterol. But that could be here, here, or here, minus the 62. So that doesn't help. Let's move on to the next one. 159 with high blood pressure and cholesterol, and they didn't smoke. Ooh, so that number can be written right in there. Okay, those are the people that had high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and didn't smoke. So that goes right there. Okay. And then 23 that smoked and had high cholesterol but didn't have high blood pressure. So that number goes right in there. You get that? This is high cholesterol, smoked but not high blood pressure. So that can go right there. And that's it, because I used this one for that one. So I need to figure out this one by using this 370, which I haven't used yet. 370 minus 62 minus 159 minus 23 will give me what goes in there, I believe. Let me check. 370 minus 62 minus 159 minus 23 is 126. So we're going to see if that checks out with everything else. Now, how many people had high blood pressure? Didn't say. I put the 20. Okay, I used the 23. I used the 370. I used the 159. And 585 had at least one. So how many of these do I have left? Ooh, 93, 159, 62, 126, 23, and 36. Because this has to equal 589 for all three sets. So how much are we short? 93 plus 159 plus 62 plus 126 plus 23 plus 36 is 499. 585 is 86. So that number has to go here, because that's what's missing, and that's the only place left to put something. So I had to work my way to there. All right. How many survivors had all three? That is 126. How many had exactly two of the three? How many had exactly two? So these people had two. These people had one. These people had two. These people had three. So 2, 2, and 2, exactly 2. So they want 159 plus 120. Oops. No, I just said that. 159 plus 86 plus 23. 159 plus 86 plus 23 is 268. Had exactly two of the three. Any two of the three. Not three and not one, but two. All right, and then this was 105. And what percentage were smokers? Percentage. So this is 86, 126, 23, and 36. All of these people had a factor of smoking. 86 plus 126 plus 23 plus 36. 271 out of 690 was our total. 0.3927, so about 39% were smokers. Okay.